in your mouth.
Hey guys, tonight we're gonna make a gin and tonic. I know what you're asking yourselves, who doesn't know how to make a frickin' gin and tonic? But this is a great gin and tonic, which starts with great ingredients, half a lime. Slice that lime in half, get yourself one of these nice little citrus squeezers if you already have one. This is obviously the green lime sized one. Of course, you wanna start with a full glass of ice. Squeeze that lime, give it a nice serious squeeze, get all those oils out of there. And you'll see this is a lot of lime juice. That's about, I don't know, 1/8 to 1/4 of a glass. So with that, you're gonna wanna top it off with some gin. I like a little bit of a stiff gin and tonic, so I'll probably go about halfway up. Might kill this home wrecker, maybe not. Almost. And then you wanna top it off with a good quality tonic water. I use this Fever-Tree. If you don't have this, you can just use store-bought tonic water. Tonic is super, super, super sugary. So I recommend if you just have regular tonic, maybe cut it half with some soda water just to kind of take the edge off that sweetness. It's just gonna be a little too much if you use regular tonic. So top it off with a good quality tonic water. Give it a good mix. And I'm telling you, you'll recognize the difference. That, my friend, is a good gin and tonic. Adios, amigos.